Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews on Sunday.
Woohoo!
I'm Jen and this is Wesley. And we have just been having a big old time, haven't we? And you slept in my sewing room, didn't you, mister? Yep, you went in there and just took over, didn't you? So no sewing has been getting done, but I've been having a big old time with this little boy, haven't I? Oh. So we are fond of making this kind of noise, aren't we? Here, sit here. So anyway, I've been a little busy, a little distracted. So I'll be back on Friday with Friday Sews because this one is going home on Tuesday night. You're gonna go leave me, aren't you? So I'll be back then. And until then, take care and I'll see you next time. Throw kisses.